the only task manager that follows up for you accounts. Meet FollowUP, powered by AI.
This procedure outlines the steps required to add a comment to a task within Trueaiwork. It ensures consistent communication and documentation of updates or inquiries related to tasks. Click the Your Task within Trueaiwork to access the relevant task workspace. Click the Share an Update or Ask Something field to prepare for entering your comment or question. Click here to reveal additional options for interacting with the task, including commenting features. Click the Comment button to post your message and update the task accordingly. This SOP details the process for commenting on a task in Trueaiwork, ensuring proper task communication and documentation through 4 precise steps.